Reinvention: How to Make the Rest of Your Life the Best of Your Life is a book written by Brian Tracy. In this book, Tracy discusses how to make positive changes in your life and achieve the level of success and fulfillment that you desire. Some of the key themes in the book include the power of taking control of your life. Tracy suggests that the key to success and fulfillment is taking control of your life, rather than being a passive observer. He emphasizes the importance of taking personal responsibility for your actions and decisions, and of setting and working towards specific goals. The importance of self-awareness. Tracy notes that one of the first steps in making positive changes in your life is becoming self-aware. He suggests that you should take the time to understand your own strengths, weaknesses, values, and motivations, and that you should be honest with yourself about your true aspirations. The value of learning and personal development. Tracy stresses the importance of continuously learning and growing as a person. He suggests that you should never stop expanding your knowledge, skills, and abilities, and that you should be open to new experiences and perspectives. The role of persistence and perseverance. Tracy highlights that making positive changes in your life is a process, and that you will face obstacles and setbacks along the way. He suggests that you must be persistent and persevering in order to overcome these challenges and reach your goals. The power of positive thinking and visualization. Tracy suggests that positive thinking and visualization can be powerful tools for making positive changes in your life. He notes that visualizing your goals and focusing your thoughts and energy on achieving them can help you to stay motivated and focused. Throughout the book, Tracy provides practical tips and strategies for making positive changes in your life, and for achieving the level of success and fulfillment that you desire. He encourages readers to be open to change, be proactive, and focus on the future with a positive outlook.